Welcome to a family art workshop presented by WheatonArts. Today we will be experimenting with different hand poses to explore how tracing our hands can reveal a whole world of animals and beyond. The required materials include a paper, a pencil, markers, crayons, or whatever else you want to use, such as color pencils, watercolor, or pastels. Now it's time to position your hand. The way that you place your hand on the paper will determine what animal, person, or object that you create. And once you've made your decision, place your hand firmly on the paper and use a pencil to trace around it. You can spread your fingers wide for creatures like a lizard or a starfish. Or you can press your fingers together for animals with a smooth body such as a fish or a penguin. Extend your thumb out for animals with a head or a beak like a giraffe or a bird. Or bend your fingers slightly to create animal legs or tentacles like an octopus or a crab. Next, use your imagination to adjust and add details to your shape, such as eyes, a mouth, ears, tails, horns, and patterns and textures like fur, feathers, or scales. Let your creativity guide you. Every hand shape can inspire a new creature, person, or object. Once you have drawn all of your details, grab your markers, crayons, color pencils, or whatever you are planning or want to use, and bring your drawing to life with color. You can use bold colors for a fun cartoon style, or try shading techniques to add depth and realism. You can also add a background such as water for a fish, grass for a giraffe, or a jungle for a monkey. Thank you for joining us, and please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.